The word Gukurahundi in Shona means the rain that washes away trash. In 1979, the Zanu PF Department of Information released a booklet with a New Year message from the President of Zanu, Robert Mugabe. The booklet was entitled 1979, The Year of the Storm, Gore re Gukurahundi. In the book, there was a passage that read, and I quote, "Our war has transformed into a people's war. Let us therefore demonstrate the people's force this year. Let the people's fury break into a revolutionary storm that will engulf and sweep the enemy completely from our land. Let every settler, city, town or village, let every enemy post, nook or hiding place be hit by the fury of the people's storm. The people's storm must come with thunder, heavy rain, and irresistible blasting gusts that will ransack the enemy's strongholds. Let us call this year the year of the people's storm, Gore re Gukurahundi." Although some people say that when Mugabe wrote this booklet he had the whites in mind, it is obvious that when he called the 5th Brigade Gukurahundi, he was reviving this paragraph, and now his enemy was ZAPU and its supporters who happened to be predominantly Ndebele.